Hello and welcome to Earth Science Lecture. I will be your professor for this semester. My name is Kristen Quell-Garguilo, and I'm going to give you a quick overview of what Earth Science Lecture is going to look like online this semester. So first off, this course is asynchronous, which means that you can do it at your own time schedule, but it is not self-paced. So there is specific due dates that either tutorials, quizzes, or homeworks will be due on. Let me share our desktop. It's going to look like. So when you open up your course, it will actually open up to announcements and give a quick overview of what's going on. And so here is a course preview announcement. This is what you'll actually see if you open up the course right now. And below your course announcements, you have your syllabus. Please make sure that you take some time to read through. Upon reading through, you'll notice specific of everything that we'll do, as well as the fact that this course will have both a midterm and a final exam, and that both the midterm and the final exam will require you to have a computer that is online accessible with a lockdown browser program that will be provided by the college that also is camera enabled. And you will need this in order to take your midterm and to take your final this semester. It also goes through some of the learning outcomes, my writing expectations, academic honesty, accommodations, school conduct, and class recording policies. If you have any questions going into the course, please feel free to email them to me. Because campus is closed, that mode of contact is email at the time. The next part that you can open up your course module. Your course module, and you'll see a Getting Started folder. It will be the only folder that you will see. And so when you open up your Getting Started folder, it will give you a quick overview of the course. Once again, it will ask you to read the syllabus. It will ask you to post in the Meet the Class discussion a little bit about yourself, and to take a quiz based on the syllabus so that we all have an understanding. Upon getting a perfect score on that quiz, it will open up Module 1. Within Module 1, you'll have a quick summary of everything you need to complete for this module, and then below that is your readings. Now, for this course, you will not be required to purchase a textbook. We will be using open source reading material, and so your links to these reading materials will be placed right in your modules for you. You'll have lecture recordings. Below your lecture recordings, you will find a PDF of the PowerPoint presentation. There are tutorials for every module, and oftentimes multiple tutorials. Now, tutorials are unique in the sense that you can do them as many times as you need to master the subject matter, since it is helping you understand what we're trying to teach. Upon completing tutorials, you also have a quiz and a homework for each module. If you happen to have any questions about the tutorials, the homework, or the quizzes, please post them in the discussion. And I encourage students to actually talk to one another in those discussions and help each other out. I will also be reading the discussions to see if there's any questions and answering it right in discussion. Of course, if we need to talk about is personal, please make sure that you actually contact me firsthand through an email. On all those notes, I'm very excited to have you in Earth Science. Welcome aboard. Bye.